Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Patricia and today I have Scentsy mail. So I have 6 brand new wax bars that have come out for the fall and winter season. I'm going to go over the scent notes of all 6 of these. I have not smelled them. These are brand new to me. So we're going to sniff each one together and we're going to see what these bars are all about. So I'll be going in alphabetical order. I have my notes over here of the scent description. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is Be Merry. Scentsy describes this as pine boughs dotted with holly leaf and cassis. It's a beautiful red wax. Oh, okay. This is a very Christmassy scent. I'm going to pop this out from the bottom. You can definitely smell the pine. It's like a sweet, candied pine scent. This is nice. This is really nice. If you have an artificial tree and you want that Christmas scent in your house, this is definitely going to be a good one. It's the scent of the tree plus a little bit of sweetness. I like that. Ooh. Next we have Cozy Cardigan. Now, I was really excited about this scent because of the scent notes that were in this. So the scent notes are soft suede, blushing rose, and amber silk. It's a beautiful baby pink wax. It's smelling good already, y'all. I'm trying to get it out at the bottom because sometimes you can definitely smell everything better at the bottom because the bar has had time to settle in the clamshell. This is a beautiful, soft, perfumey scent. You can definitely smell a little amber. You can smell the rose. This is really, really nice. This is gorgeous. This is a great bedroom scent. If you want a nice romantic scent, this would go great anywhere. I love this one. I am going to have to keep this one in my Scentsy club. I see why people said this was a good one. This was actually a return from previous years. Next we have Eskimo Kiss. This is a beautiful blue wax. And the scent notes are blackberry jam, caramelized brown sugar, vanilla, and amber. You guys know I love vanilla on this channel, so super excited to see what is up with this scent. Just trying to loosen it out the shell. It doesn't want to come out for me. Let's see. I guess she's not coming out. So this one we're just going to have to smell her from here. Oh, this is nice. I smell vanilla. I smell amber. I'm not really getting a jam scent though. Okay, she's not coming out, so we're just going to do it this way. This is beautiful. I'm not really getting the blackberry and the brown sugar, but I'm definitely smelling the vanilla and the amber, and I am all the way here for it. Maybe once this warms up, I will get that fruit note. Right now, I am not getting fruit. I'm getting soft perfume, and you know I love soft perfume. Next we have, I'm snow over it, beautiful baby blue wax. The notes in this are sage, whispering pine, cedar wood, and bright berries. So let's seal it this one. Oh, that one slid right out for me. Okay. I smell pine. I smell berries. I smell maybe a whisper of cedar wood. I'm not really picking up the sage though. Once again, maybe once I warm this, then the other notes will come out a little better, but this is a nice, this is kind of perfumey too. You know, I know what I'm doing when it comes to the perfume, you guys. Okay, the pine is subtle though. I'm glad, because I don't want that whole, I feel like I'm walking through a forest through my house. I buy real trees during the winter, so that pine is enough. I don't need pine like all over the house, so do not be scared of I'm snow over it, because so far the pine is kind of in the background. The next wax bar is Silver Bells. Packaging is just so on point, beautiful silver wax, and the notes are minty candy canes, pear, caramel, and vanilla sugar. I'm so excited. Let's see if she will pop out for me. Will she? I'm not thinking so. Some of these are easy to pop out, and some of them you kind of have to work a little bit to get them out, so. And I don't think she's gonna come out, so we're just gonna do like that. Okay. Right now, this is smelling a little bit like a breath mint. It's, oh, duh, minty candy canes. You definitely get that. I'm getting maybe a tiny hint of pear. But right now it's minty candy canes. I don't smell vanilla sugar. I'm not really smelling caramel. I'm just smelling candy canes. So she's not coming out. But I will give this a go. Minty candy canes. And lastly, we have Very Merry Cranberry. The notes for this are red winter cranberries and snow-covered cedar. Basic, simple, to the point, beautiful red wax. Okay, let's see if she will come out. I pretty much got a whiff of what it was. I mean, it's only 2 notes, so it's not that super complex. Not coming out today, so you definitely smell the berries and the cedar. I mean, basically, it smells like what it says. It is berries and cedar. But it's a nice blend, so it's not that cedar where you're opening up the cedar chest and it's like knocking you back out the house because it's so strong. It's not that. And the berry doesn't seem loud enough where it's going to choke you out either. This seems to be a perfectly balanced 50-50 blend of the berry and the cedar. I think I can work with this. So that's it. I wanted to come on really quick and do these. But these I knew I was going to like, so I just went ahead and got the 6 bars. Now I did 6. I do bundle and save. I always tell you guys about bundle and save. I do it as well. Bundle and save is when you buy more of a certain product and you get a savings. So if you do a bundle and save of 6 bars, you're only paying for 5 and you're getting 1 for free. I do have other new items that came today as well. I will lump some of those together, and then there might be 1 or 2 that I do as a totally separate video. One thing is the fragrance flower. That's going to be a separate video. Some of the other things, I might just lump those together. So if you have tried any of these scents that you have seen, jot down below, tell me what you think. If you want to try them, then as always, my website is below. And I can't jump off without saying that Scentsy once again is inviting you to be a consultant for $15. So it's a great way if you just want to supply your habit, become a consultant, buy from yourself, make a little change on the side, and be happy. So as always, thank you for watching. Please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.